I breathe in, I breathe out, no doubt. I stick her like a villain, man, I'm ready and willing to switch up. Let's go, hip-hop echoes on my brain that can't escape, it never runs away. I see beats speak, epic battles in my mind, incredibly sublime, otherwise muted. The silence is deafening, of course, I endorse a four-man sport, I resort to a flash report. Documentation on current situations, frustration. No salvation, situation calls for retaliation. At this moment I can't control it, it's just a habit of a writer. Continuous nail biter, but we're above par with our beautiful bars. Not a what about cars, there's no ecosystem on Mars, so Earth is still vital. Home is still the title, stay idle while these vocal recitals dig deep in souls. Music, sport, twitches like oil, coal, and gold.
So when my thoughts are rewind, I find any spot I stop. Guaranteed the tape bleed the sound of hip-hop. Rhyme book be like the journal for the mental Polaroids. Even when I watch droids, those are the D2 tones, reminding me of scratches up in my headphones. But I mean it runs deeper when I think of the past and the choices that was chosen. But from flows and paragraphs there was knowledge of self, awareness and truth. Ice-T and Chuck D was cold raising the roof. I couldn't step without my Walkman, shoplifting batteries. High school wasn't having me, I got my edutainment. 11 to infinity, the funk was flowing into me. 89 heard the symphony conducted by Fresh West. The U and Raw Fusion was my musical breakfast. The magnificent, the Trashy J, Mr. Mix. Illest ones allowed to touch a transform switch. What hip-hop gave to me was the gift of a lifetime. I'll put sense in the sentence when I step to recite rhyme. The lifeline, yo, that's music from the soul. So with a better tomorrow, we keep aiming for the goal.